Hello everyone, I am Sushmita. My presentation topic is Steps of Training Evaluation. First, we will see what is meant by training. Training is an act of increasing the knowledge and skills of an employee for doing a particular job. Training focuses on specific knowledge and skills that is be applied in the short run. Since training is time consuming and costly, so it should be evaluated. Let's see what is meant by training evaluation. Training evaluation refers to an attempt to obtain applicable information on the effect of training program. It is considered an essential aspect of a training event to be able to reflect, analyze, and improve its effectiveness and efficiency. Since training evaluation compares post-training result to the pre-training objective of managers, trainers, and trainees. There are 5 steps in training evaluation. First one is the identify the purpose. Second is the selecting evaluation method. Third one is the designing evaluation tool. Fourth one is the collection of data. And fifth one is the analyze data and report result. Let's see what is meant by the identify the purpose. The first step of the evaluation process is to identify the purpose. In this step, you are essentially answering the question, why do we want to evaluate the training program? It might be assess whether the participant benefited from the training program and also assess the impact of the training program of the business area. Next step is the selecting evaluation method. After the purpose is identified, selection evaluation method. Here, how the data will be collected is identified. It might be through questionnaire. Questionnaire are the set of the questions is given to the individual to get information on a particular topic. Or interviews. Interviews are data collected by asking open-ended question where the respondent can answer the question in as much detail. Or focus group. Focus group, it is the discussion with a group who shares common interest intent to collect information. Next, observation. Observation is a method of gathering data by watching an individual behavior in their natural setting. There is no single best method for collecting data, and sometimes you may utilize more than one method. Then the third step is the designing evaluation tool. Designing evaluation tool is a very important part of evaluation planning. An ineffective design can cause confusion. While designing evaluation tool, one has to consider how the information will be used and what will be the best method for collecting feedback. Fourth step is collection of data. After designing the evaluation tool, now we have to collect the data. So, here we have to focus on the group from whom the data will be collected, when and how it will be collected. The answers to these questions will be vary depending on the purpose of the evaluation as well as the business environment and company. Last step is the analyze data and report result. The final step in the evaluation process is the analyze the data and report the findings. There are many ways to analyze data, but the analysis should be as simple as possible and limited to what is necessary to draw the required conclusion from the data. So these are the steps involved in the training evaluation. Thank you.